In the bustling city of Flavorville, there lived a curious young chef named Mia who wanted to create the perfect dishes for her customers. One day, she stumbled upon an intelligent recipe book in an old market. This book claimed it could predict the best recipes for any ingredient combination. But it was blank. It needed to learn from Mia to unlock its full potential. And so began their adventure in supervised learning. Step 1. The ingredients, data. Mia started by collecting her ingredients and recipes. She wrote down detailed examples. Ingredients, tomato, basil, olive oil. Dish, caprese salad. Ingredients, rice, chicken, spices. Dish, chicken biryani. Ingredients, flour, eggs, sugar, dish cake. Each recipe had a list of ingredients, the input, and the corresponding dish name, the label. These examples formed the training data for the recipe book. Step 2. The blank recipe model. The recipe book contained a magical model, a blank slate ready to learn patterns. It promised Mia it could become a master predictor of dishes, but only if she provided enough examples to teach it. Step 3. Cooking lessons, training. Mia started training the recipe book. She showed it each combination of ingredients and their matching dish. If you see tomato, basil, and olive oil, the dish is caprese salad. If you see flour, eggs, and sugar, the dish is cake. As Mia went through her recipes, the book slowly learned the relationships between ingredients and the type of dishes they could make. It started recognizing patterns, like how sweet ingredients often led to desserts and spicy ingredients led to savory dishes. Step 4. The taste test, evaluation. Once the recipe book claimed it was ready, Mia decided to test it. She gave it a new set of ingredients. Tomato, garlic, pasta, the book predicted. Spaghetti, rice, fish, soy sauce, the book predicted. Sushi. Mia tasted the predictions and found them mostly accurate. But sometimes, the book got things wrong, like calling rice, chicken, beans a sushi roll instead of a burrito. Mia realized the book needed more diverse examples to refine its predictions. Step 5. Serving the customers, inference. After more training and tweaking, the recipe book became a pro. Now, when a customer at Mia's restaurant asked for a suggestion, the book could instantly predict a dish based on their ingredient preferences. For example, cheese, tomatoes, dough, pizza, milk, bananas, honey, smoothie. The recipe book no longer needed Mia to guide it. It could predict dishes on its own, helping her create amazing meals for everyone in Flavorville. Mia and her recipe book show us the steps of supervised learning, data gathering labeled examples, ingredients, and their dishes. Model the blank recipe book, ready to learn patterns. Training, teaching the model by showing it labeled examples. Evaluation, testing the model on new data to ensure it learned well. Inference, using the trained model to make predictions in real-world situations. Thanks to Mia's efforts, the recipe book became the most trusted companion in her kitchen, and her restaurant became the most popular in Flavorville.